Today, we're going to look at mean value theorem for differentiation. So under mean value theorem for differentiation, suppose fx is a function that satisfies all the following condition. So again, first, fx is continuous on the closed interval a and b. Second condition, fx is differentiable on the open interval ab. Then there is a number c such that f prime c, again we have to substitute the function and substitute the variable of c, is equals to fb minus fa over b minus a, where ab is the interval and c is located in the interval of ab, or we can write as c is the element of ab. Next, let's look at one example. Example 1. The mean value theorem for derivative state that if fx is continuous at closed interval ab and differentiable on open interval of ab, then there is at least one number c in the interval of ab such that f prime c is equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. So here is the function. So this is the important part that we will apply this formula. So find the value of c that satisfy the theorem for the function of fx. So the function is given on the interval -3 to 0. So here is our value of a. -3 is the value of a. 0 is the value of b. So let's say, by referring to this formula, first you can see that we need to differentiate the function and then substitute the value of c. So from our function fx, which is equals to 2 over square root, so square root of 1 minus x. Instead of using quotient rule, since the numerator is a constant, so what can I do is, next step, I can change to u over 1 minus x. From square root, I can change to power of 1 over 2. Next, I will bring out to the numerator. So against my fx will be equals to 2 multiply with 1 minus x power of -1 over 2. So since the numerator is a constant, we can use this form. So first, I will differentiate the index. Second, I will differentiate the bracket. So next, f prime x will be equals to, we will bring the index to the front, multiply with 2. So 2 times -1 over 2, you can use your calculator. Suppose here is -1. Multiply with 1 minus x. So reduce the index by 1. So -1 over 2 minus 1 will become -3 over 2. Next, I will follow by differentiate the bracket. So differentiate 1, I should get 0. Differentiate -x, I'll get -1. So -1 times -1 equals to +1 times x. 1 minus x power of -3 over 2. This is the since this is a negative index, I will change to positive index. So f prime x will be equals to 1 over 1 minus x power of 3 over 2. So from negative index, now will become positive index. Positive 1 because it's negative 1 multiplied with negative 1 will become positive 1. So next here is f prime c. So I substitute the value of c. So f prime c will be equals to 1 over 1 minus, from x I change to c. So c power of 3 over 2. So next here is fb minus fa. So I will try to find the value of fb. So fb will be equals to, where b is 0. So here will become f0. So if you look properly, we will substitute 0 into the function of f, not f prime x, but fx. So next, here is our fx. So I will substitute with 0. So 2 over square root of 1 minus 0. So here is 2 over square root of 1. So here is 2. Next, I will try to find fa. So fa will be equals to f, where our value of a is negative 3. So f negative 3. So here is 2 over square root of 1 minus negative 3. So here is 2 over square root of negative will become positive. 1 plus 3 is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Here is 1. So finally, I can substitute in this formula. F prime c, where our f prime c is here, which is 1 over, so let's say I rewrite the formula. So since f prime c is equals to fb minus fa over b minus a. So this is the formula. So f prime c will be 1 over 1 minus c power of 3 over 2 is equals to fb. fb is 2 minus fa. fa is 1 over b minus a. Based on the interval, our b is 0, a is negative 3. So means that 0 minus negative 3. So here is 1 over 1 minus c power of 3 over 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus negative 3 is positive 3. So next I will multiply in this form or in this way. So from here, 3 times 1 is 3 is equals to 1 minus c power of 3 over 2. So how are we going to eliminate the index of 3 over 2? So what I'm going to do is, from here, I will multiply with power of 2 over 3. Same as the left hand side, I will multiply with 2 power of 3. So from 2 power of 3, I can cancel out this. What I have here is only 1 minus c is equals to 3 power of 2. So this one you can use your calculator, where 3 power of 2 over 3, 3 power of 2 over 3 will be equals to 2.08. 2.08. So from here, 1 minus 2.08 will be equals to positive C, and C will be equals to 1 minus 2.08 is negative 1.08. So where the negative 1.08 is in the interval from negative 3 to 0. So the value of C is correct. So here is the answer. So negative 3 to 0. Sorry. So this is a closed interval from negative 3 to 0. And this is the answer.